Today we're going to do the lattice multiplication method, 43 times 26. So we start off by putting 4 on the first top box and 3 right next to it. Now we do the 2 and the 6, 2 in the top box, 6 on the bottom. First we're going to do 2 times 3, which is 6. So since it's not a 10-digit number, or a 2-digit number, we do 0 and 6. Now we do 2 times 4, which is 8. So we do the same thing, 0, 8. Now we go down to the 6. 6 times 3, which is 18. So we put 1 on the top, 8 on the bottom. Now we go over to the 4. 6 times 4 is 24. So we put 2 on the top and 4 on the bottom.
The next step is now to add all the numbers, starting from the bottom of the 2 by 2 box and then going up. So first we'll start with 8. 8 by itself is just 8. Next we have 6 plus 1 is 7 plus 4, which is 11. So we put a 1 there and carry it to the next set. Then we have 8 plus 1 essentially is 9, plus 2 is 11. So we have to do the same thing again, where we put the 1 down and then carry it over to the next set. And then all we have there is a 1. So then the answer to our problem is going to be on the outside here. So we have 1,118.